Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use world's most popular messaging app to boost your sales, engage with your customers, and grow your business. WhatsApp Business is a free app designed specifically for small business owners. Available for both Android and iPhone. It offers a range of features to help businesses connect with their customers. I will walk you through how to get the maximum benefits from this app for your business. First things first, if you haven't created a WhatsApp Business profile for your business, let's start with that. First, download WhatsApp Business app from App Store or Play Store. Then, agree to terms and conditions. You can use the same mobile number you are using on the device or a new mobile number, but make sure you have access to that mobile number because you need the OTP sent by WhatsApp to your SMS. Next, add your business name in here. Select your business category. Scroll down until you notice the most suitable business category for your business. You can select a subcategory as well. Now it's time to add a profile image for your business profile. It's best to add your business logo because it helps customers to recognize you quickly. Then add a business description explaining who you are. It helps customers to understand about your business. Now add business hours that your customers can contact you. You can select always open for selected hours, or by appointments only. If you have a website for your business, you can add it in here. Once you create your business profile, it will appear like this. WhatsApp catalogs help business owners share their products and services with customers. Let's see how to create a catalog. Then click this Tools section. Select catalogs from the Tools section. Click Add New Item button. Add the item name in here. Then add item description. Next, add the relevant images for your catalog item. Finally, click Save to save your catalog item. Now your catalog is ready. The next feature is WhatsApp Short Link. The WhatsApp Business app enables you to share a link so customers can start a chat with you directly. Open WhatsApp Business and go to Tools section. You will notice short links under Reach More Customers section. There are 3 options. You can share the link directly, or copy the link to share anywhere you want, or use a QR code to give faster access. Greeting message is an automatic message sent to someone who contacts your business for the first time on WhatsApp Business. It's a short welcome message for customers. Here's how to set up greeting messages. Open your WhatsApp Business app. Click Tools from the below menu. Scroll down a bit and you will find the greeting message option under Messaging Tools. Then select to send a greeting message on the next screen. Now it will give you the option to select the Recipients option. If you select Everyone, the greeting message will be sent to everyone who messaged you for the first time. If you select Exclude My Contacts, WhatsApp will send a greeting message to anyone who is not in your contacts list. If you select Everyone except WhatsApp, we'll send a greeting message to everyone except people you select. If you select Only Send To, WhatsApp will send a greeting message to the contacts selected by you. Next, type the greeting message you want to send your customers. Finally, click Save. I hope this tutorial will help you get the maximum benefits from WhatsApp Business platform. What are your thoughts? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss our latest tech and tutorial videos.